Okay, so what's up guys, your guy Shapiro Acid, and guys, in today's video I want to show you another way that you can make money from the online space. Okay, so there is a numerous way to make money from the online space, but in today's one I want to share my experience with you and how you can make money from the online space. Now guys, for the past week I've learned, or I'm learning, forex trading. Okay, which I know most of you watching this video know what forex trading is. And you know, in forex trading you need two particular apps to be working with. That's the MetaTrader 4 or 5 and the trading view. So I've downloaded the MetaTrader 5 and I've been trading. Okay guys, you can see that I've made a lot of trading. This is a real account. You can see this one is a real account and I've made a lot of trading from inside. So for a couple of days now I've been trading with a lot of accounts. I have a lot of accounts and I've even blew a lot of accounts. I have blew a lot of accounts. If I see this one real quick, you can see that I've blew this account. Is money inside. I've blew a lot of accounts. It's okay because I'm still learning, guys. So, and also I've made a lot of money from this online space. I've made a lot of money from this particular online space. So in my next videos I'll be recording how you can make money from forex trading, how you can do a lot of things from forex trading. I think that will be in my next video, because I think forex trading is here to stay and you can make a lot of money from forex trading. So guys, in case you love this video idea, I want all of you to like this video and comment in case you have anything to tell me, or in case you have anything that you want me to recommend, or anything at all that is bothering you. You can just drop in the comment section and I'm trying my possible best to reply to all the comments. So guys, that's what I have for you in today's video. In my next video I'm going to talk about the trading view, how it works, and the expense account, which is the broker, and a lot of things. So I just want you guys to know that okay, so now after that first trading, I'm still learning. I want to be very good at this before I'll start recording video from it. But I just want to create this awareness that you guys will watch out. There will be a lot of videos of forex trading here which you need to know. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay blessed. See you in my next video. I'm out.